Hi, um, I'm still in my pajamas. Doesn't look like it, but I am. So, a little update about me. Um, if I haven't already said anything, my dad has been fired from his last job, and my mom still has her job, and I have a month break from mine, but mine's going towards car insurance because I prefer when I'm able to drive, I could. My hair's really messed up. Um, but yeah, so I've been basically kind of trapped under the um, bus there, so to speak. I'm like under the bus or whatever, however that fucking saying goes. Wait, my shirts they go messed up. There we go. And so I'm still kind of, you know, kind of deciding what to do with myself because I'm still kind of iffy on everything. So I'm basically just kind of going day by day on it, but looks like we're gonna be waiting a little while before I get my family gets child support. That's basically it. Um, yeah, so I really have nothing else to say. So yeah, bye.